Bon après-midi.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour.
Bon après-midi.
Merci. Alors, ça va bien les garçons?
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Salut. Salut. Mister, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, can we sort?
Alors, hier, on a vu ensemble, bien sûr, le texte de deux enfants peu raisonnables. Deux enfants peu raisonnables. Alors, mais on a bien lu ensemble aussi le texte. Et on a montré aussi comment peut-on lire le texte. Donc, je répète, bien sûr, la dernière fois, comment peut-on lire ce texte-là? Alors, tu sors encore? Où est-ce que tu vas? Je vais chez Théo, maman. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire chez Théo? Nous allons étudier de la géographie. De la géographie? Vous allez jouer, voilà tout. Et toi, Emma, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire cet après-midi? Je vais rester à la maison. Je vais étudier mes leçons. C'est bien, Emma. Vers 5 heures, Lucie et Sarah vont venir me voir et nous... Comment? Ce n'est pas possible. Toi aussi. Mais quand est-ce que vous allez travailler sérieusement? Donc, ça, bien sûr, c'est le texte. Yalla, someone to read?
Me.
Yalla, Khalid.
Okay. All. Yes.
What?
All. Read it all.
Yes, all.
Okay. Tout sur. Icor. O, icor, tu vas. Je vais chez Théo, maman. Mister.
Yeah?
In the second line, under. Je vais. No, go back. Do you see the T-H-E-O?
Theo, it's a name.
Theo. What is? How can we pronounce it with the thing that is on the E?
Hey, Theo.
Theo, mama. Yes.
Theo, maman.
Okay. Theo, maman. Tu vas faire the cheese. Theo. Nous allons étudier de la géographie. De la géographie, vous allez.
Vous allez.
Vela tu et Tom, Tio, Emma. Que tu vas vers si Paris midi. Je vais rester. Allez.
Restez. خالد فسرنا البارح.
What is the meaning of rester?
Rester, to stay.
Okay, rester. Allez, Michon. Je vais étudier mes leçons. C'est bien. Emma. Vers 5 heures. Lissou et Sarah vont venir vers nous. Comité. Si nous pas possible. Tu as ma et que si que vas alors travailler sur semaine. Sérieusement. I finished.
Ok, merci. Ok, les
Mister,
garçons.
Can
Yeah.
you say sérieusement?
Pardon?
Is it this? The last word, how we
Uh-huh.
pronounce it?
Sérieusement.
Sérieusement?
Voilà. Sérieusement.
Sérieusement.
Mhm. Seriously.
Okay.
Sérieusement. Ok. Alors maintenant, on va voir ensemble, bien sûr, les questions. Page numéro 13. Alors, juste un instant.
Mister,
Yeah.
can Said go for 2 minutes and be back? Can I go for 2 minutes?
What?
Can I go for just
يلا اوكي يلا صوت. Wait.
Mister,
Yeah.
what did Saud say?
What?
What did Saud say?
Why you wanna say, why you wanna know?
I don't know why, but I just want to know.
No.
Okay.
Ok. Alors, juste un instant, le texte des enfants, voilà. Okay, so yalla, who can read the first question in page 13? The first question?
Hi, Walid.
Yalla, Walid. Yes, Walid.
Où va Tom?
Alors, où va Tom? Où est-ce qu'il va, Tom? Où est-ce qu'il va, Tom? Où va, Tom? Where?
J'y vais chez Théo. J'y vais chez Théo.
Repeat.
J'y vais chez
Alors, on ne dit pas je vais, on dit il, il. So, when we answer, alors, où va Tom? Tom va chez Théo. So here, when he is talking, he said je vais. But when you are talking, you said il va chez Théo.
Il
D'accord?
va chez Théo.
Voilà, donc Tom va chez Théo. Voilà, Tom va chez Théo. Yes, the second question. Sultan?
Yes, Mister.
Yes.
Pourquoi est-ce que Tom va chez Théo?
Oui. Pourquoi est-ce que Tom va chez Théo? Pourquoi? Pourquoi Tom va chez Théo? Why Tom is going to Théo's house? Why? Pourquoi il va chez Théo?
Étudier de la géographie?
Pour étudier de la géographie. Voilà, donc géographie, non pas géographe. Alors ça, c'est pour étudier de la géographie. Très bien.
Mister,
It means
Yeah.
Mister he want to
Can you open
study
your camera?
geography with him.
Yes, so he go to Theo to study geography with him. Yes. Yes, Walid?
can you open your camera?
You want to open your camera?
Not me, you.
Why?
You did it like few moments ago.
Excuse me?
You did like you opened your camera like few moments ago.
I opened my camera. When?
Yes,
When?
last week or last 2 weeks, I think.
Yes. Okay, inshallah, next time I will upload, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Khalid?
Yes.
Question number 3.
Question number 3. Equal Tom va étudier sa géographie.
No, read it. Reread it.
Et
Est-ce que
Tom va étudier sa géographie?
خالد
Yes.
امبارح مش قلنا لما يكون عندنا verb كيبدا الفينيش بتاعه ونقولوا ايه ما نقولوش étudier étudier
Étudier
voilà.
sa
Sa géographie. Donc, est-ce que Tom va étudier sa géographie? Yes, Khan. Est-ce que Tom va étudier sa géographie?
Can you explain the meaning of the?
Can you understand it? So here, the mom is asking her son, and she said, "Where do you go?" So he said, "I will go to Theo." So and she said, "Why?" So he said, "We will study geography." Okay?
Okay.
But the mother, what she said, de la géographie, vous allez jouer. Voilà tout.
Okay.
So what does it mean, vous allez jouer?
What?
What does it mean, vous allez jouer?
Okay, then go.
Yes, Khaled.
Yes.
Yeah.
It means yes.
Uh-huh.
It means okay.
It means, okay, what does it mean? Yes?
It means then go study geography.
No.
With,
Donc, est-ce que Tom va étudier sa géographie? Do you think that Tom will study geography with his friend, Theo?
No.
No. Donc, what are they doing? So they will
Go play.
go to play. Good. Okay. Yes, I want Mohamed Zahrani.
Yes.
Yalla, Habibi. Question numéro 4.
I don't have the book. I will read from the screen.
Why you haven't the book?
I did not get it yet.
Okay, Saud.
Yes.
Do you have your book?
Yes, I have my book.
Okay, Habib, please, question number 4. Question numéro 4. 4.
On page 13.
Yes, we are in page 13. 13.
Okay. Qu'on va faire Emma Kate après midi.
Saud.
Yes.
Do you remember yesterday that we said the S when it's in the finish of the word, we don't pronunciate it?
Yes,
Okay, so please, can you try again?
Qu'on va faire Emma Kate après
7.
après midi.
Bravo.
Midi.
Now, you know that you didn't make any mistake when you are reading this exercise? Zero mistake.
There is a mistake?
No, 0 mistake.
Okay, good.
Good, very good. So, Yalla. Yes. So, que va faire Emma cet après-midi? So, what do you think that Emma will do this afternoon? Après-midi, that's mean afternoon. Après-midi, that's mean afternoon. So,
Traveler.
Traveler. Traveler. Where?
Travel, like travel, but in French.
Travel. Voyager. Travel. So she will travel.
No, she travel.
Okay, so you want to say like this one. Wait. Like this?
Yes.
Okay, but this? Okay, do you remember that we said when it's a verb, ER, it's always pronunciated E. It's always like this, E. This sound is E. Okay.
Traveler.
Bravo. Mais là, quand on a le AI and double L between two vowel, and we have double L, so the L is not pronounced also its sign. So we said travailler. Travailler. Okay? Repeat. Travailler. Yes, So?
Yes.
So we said travailler.
Travailler.
Bravo. Alors, you said that she will, donc on va dire qu'elle va travailler. Alors, on va voir. Mais elle a dit, je vais rester à la maison, je vais étudier. OK, travailler ou bien étudier is the same thing. Hein? Travailler is to work et étudier is to study. It's OK? OK, good. So we said, elle va rester à la maison pour travailler. Merci.
OK.
Yes, merci. Okay. Where is the other? Sulaiman. Yassine. يكون في علمكم لو عندكم اعداد على المشاركه يكون في علمكم يعني عندكم اعداد على المشاركه يعني بعدين يقول لي شبيه العدد عندي نازل ولا ما ادري ايش اعرف لانك انت ما تشاركش في الفصل. دونك ياسين عبد الله هيثم.
Yes, mister.
يلا ياسين. Next.
Qui va venir voir Emma?
Alors, qui va venir voir Emma? Who will be there to see Emma?
Vers 5 heures, Lucie et Sarah vont venir voir été.
Vont venir me voir. Mais, but here, what does it mean vers 5 heures?
What?
What does it mean vers 5 heures? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire vers 5 heures?
After 5 hours.
No, it's not after 5 hours. At 5 o'clock. Vers, okay, vers 5 heures. 5 heures is 5 o'clock. So, okay, so at 5 o'clock, who will be back with Lucie, with Emma?
Lucie ou Sarah.
Good. Donc, qui va venir voir Emma? La question maintenant, the question, qui va venir voir Emma? So, Lucie et Sarah vont venir voir Emma. D'accord? Merci, Yassine. The other, I repeat, for Abdullah Haytham and Sulaiman. One of you, open your mic.
Stop.
Yes.
They cannot. Sulaiman can open his camera, but I mean his mic. But Abdullah Haytham, he cannot because he's not connected to the audio.
Thank you. Okay. Donc, who didn't participate yet? There's only Mohammed Zahran, yeah?
Yes. And Sulaiman. Sulaiman can open his
Okay, Mohammed Zahran. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'elles vont venir? Alors, qu'est-ce qu'elles vont faire? Qu'est-ce qu'elles vont faire? Mohamed Zahran.
Yes.
Qu'est-ce que Emma, Lucie et Sarah vont faire?
Emma
Pues los Sarah vont venir, mais vos etnos, comment ça n'est pas baisse, vos asso masculin, est si que vous allez travailler sérieusement.
Okay, but Muhammad, you are reading what's written here. So I'm asking you, it's only just a question. Qu'est-ce qu'elles vont faire? So what did Sarah, Lucy, and Emma do when they will meet them together? Do you think that they will play or they will study?
Study.
Okay, can you justify your answer from passage of text? Est-ce que tu peux confirmer ou bien est-ce que tu peux justifier ta réponse? Parce que ici, la maman dit, comment? Ce n'est pas possible. Toi aussi. You too. So we see here the mom when she said to her son, pour son enfant, de la géographie. Vous allez jouer. You will play. That's it. And here, when Emma said also, she will be with their friends. So she said also, comment? Ce n'est pas possible. Toi aussi. What? It's impossible. You too. It's okay. You too. It's impossible. You too.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Who is first? Who is first?
I think I still remember that
Faris is with us.
plan. I think I
What?
still remember him.
He was with us last year, but I remember I forgot his second name.
That's cute.
But I didn't see him again. First, please open your mic.
Yes, it was Faris Ahmed.
Yes, that was
Okay.
Faris Ahmed.
First, open your mic, please.
Ask him to unmute instead. He might unmute.
Yes,
Mr.
open for him.
In the Islamic or the national education class, he answered.
What a place.
When we were with the other class, he talked.
Yeah.
First, please, can you open your mic? I want to ask you.
Ask him to unmute. I think he might unmute.
Yes, I'm asking him to open his mic. So, okay, here we go. Alors, est-ce que Tom et Emma travaillent bien? Now, the question is, do you think that Tom and Emma work seriously? Do you think they work seriously?
No, they
No.
don't talk seriously.
So, they are des enfants peu raisonnables. They are two elephants less reasonable, okay, or unreasonable. Okay, guys, now please, you will take your book in page 13 and you will answer the question. So here we have question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay? And when you finish, you tell me, okay? Yalla, please take.
This is
Yalla.
homework?
No, you will take the answer.
Mister,
Yeah?
Okay.
Mister, do you see them? You are doing it, okay? Stop, okay? Stop.
Is it clear?
Go down, Mister, a little bit.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait. So I will make it for you. Wait a minute. Voilà.
No.
Yes,
Okay,
yes. This is the answer of the first question, huh? Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Take the answer. Yalla, and tell me when you finish. In page 13, huh? You take the answer in page 13. Page numéro 13.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you finish, guys?
No.
No.
No, mister, not yet.
Okay.
Open the mic.
Welcome, Raquel. So please, you take the answer in page 13, Raquel.
Mister, I'm almost there. 3 questions left.
Mister, I finished. Can I leave?
Yes, who finished, he can leave, pray the Maghrib.
Okay, bye.
Okay, did you finish, guys?
Yes.
One more, mister, one more.
I finished.
Yalla. Who finished, he can leave, huh?
Mister, I got 1 question left.
Yalla, okay.
Au revoir, monsieur.
Au revoir.
Finished. Bye.
Bye-bye. So it's okay?